Chief of the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, today reached the Election Commission office. Do remember that there was a deadline of 11 o'clock. So he, along with Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann and Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, reached the Election Commission office in order to reiterate on the proof that was required by the Election Commission on the claims that were being made by the Aam Aadmi Party. So, of course, Arvind Kejriwal there saying that this is a planned conspiracy as far as the government of Haryana is concerned, and no notice by the Election Commission to the government of Haryana, with that dare as far as the Election Commission is concerned to drink the water that is being supplied from Haryana. So this is Arvind Kejriwal there reaching the Election Commission there in order to reply to the questions that are going to be asked by the Election Commission. Of course, Arvind Kejriwal there has been claiming this is a political conspiracy aimed at forcing people to face a water crisis by contaminating the water with poisonous ammonia in order to tarnish the image of the Aam Aadmi Party just ahead of the elections, which will be held in less than 6 days from now on the 5th of February. Let's just listen in to what Arvind Kejriwal had to say.
का मकसद था कि दिल्ली के अंदर आर्टिफिशियल वाटर स्कैसिटी क्रिएट हो जाएगी तो आम आदमी पार्टी के ऊपर इसका ठीकरा फोड़ा जाएगा कि आम आदमी पार्टी से पानी नहीं दिया जा रहा। अगर हम ये संघर्ष नहीं करते, ये शोर नहीं करते, तो आज दिल्ली के लोगों को 1 करोड़ लोगों को दिल्ली के अंदर पानी मिलना बंद हो गया होता अगर मैं शोर नहीं करता। आतिशी जी ने, भगवंत मान साहब ने चिट्ठी लिखी चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को कि ये किया जा रहा है, आप हरियाणा को कहिए कि पानी में अमोनिया ना छोड़े। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने उस पर कोई ऑर्डर पास नहीं किया हरियाणा सीएम को कि भाई आप पानी ठीक छोड़िए। मेरे को नोटिस दे दिया चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ने, आपके खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाने के लिए क्यों ना कार्रवाई की जाए। अगर ये इलेक्शन हमारे हिसाब से हरियाणा के चीफ मिनिस्टर नायब सैनी दिल्ली को जहरीला पानी भेजने के लिए और दिल्ली के अंदर आर्टिफिशियल वाटर क्राइसिस क्रिएट करने की कोशिश करने के लिए उन्होंने अपराध किया है, उनके खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज की जाए। उनके खिलाफ एफआईआर ऑर्डर करने की बजाय, उनके खिलाफ एक्शन लेने के बजाय, उनको ऑर्डर देने की बजाय कि आप साफ पानी भेजिए, इलेक्शन कमीशन मेरे पीछे पड़ गया।
भारत के इकोनॉमी अन्य देशों की तुलना में अच्छा ही है। ये जो आज रखेंगे उसके बाद ही कुछ बोल सकते, किसी को पता नहीं चलता। लेकिन जो आपने पूछा है अरविंद केजरीवाल और ये तथाकथित इंडी गठबंधन के लोग कभी भी संविधान और संविधान के संस्था का गौरव और उसका जो रेपुटेशन है वो रेपुटेशन ठीक तरह से रखना नहीं चाहते। दे हैव स्कैंट रिस्पेक्ट अबाउट द इंस्टीट्यूशंस।
We also have my colleague Anushka joining us to get us more on this. Anushka, of course, Arvind Kejriwal is alleging that the poll body is shooting the messenger by targeting the Aam Aadmi Party for really raising its voice here.
Well, certainly, Divya, what we saw as the first half of the campaigning saw a welfare wars between all the 3 major political parties. In the last leg, we are seeing that there is a war of water going on between all of these parties. Now, today, the Chief Election Commissioner had in fact summoned Arvind Kejriwal to come to Election Commission and give a formal reply as to why he said that the poison was being added on Yamuna and it cannot be related to Yamuna contamination and the ppm levels increase in the Yamuna river water. Also, what we are seeing is that Arvind Kejriwal is alleging that he had multiple times, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, had in fact multiple times called Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Saini and had explained to him as to how the water contamination is in fact increasing day by day, and if they cannot lessen the industrial toxic contaminants that is being released in the Yamuna river, at least they should in fact send more water to Delhi so that the contamination can be diluted. But after hearing all of that, he took Atishi's call once or twice, and after that he stopped receiving the calls of Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, and that is why Bhagwant Mann also tried to in fact have hold of Nayab Singh Saini, but nobody from Haryana responded to their call, to the Delhi's call. Also, what they're alleging is that Nayab Saini is the person who is in fact involved in all of these, water, contaminant, strategy. Also, he's saying that an artificial water crisis is trying to be created in Delhi, in the national capital Delhi, so that the Aam Aadmi Party's reputation could be tarnished. But also, what we are seeing is that the Election Commission had in fact also said told the Aam Aadmi Party chief that if he is making such statement, he should have serious backing as to how he is making all those allegations. Election Commission had asked Arvind Kejriwal to answer 5 question as to what quality of poison was being added, what quantity of poison was being added, and also how the Delhi Jal Board engineers, in fact, the methodology in which the whole contaminants were added, and how the the Delhi Jal Board engineers were in fact involved in tracking those contaminants. But so far what we know is that the Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party chief has said that an FIR should be lodged against Nayab Saini rather than the poll body pulling up Arvind Kejriwal for answering as to why he gave such a statement. But also what we are seeing is that after this statement that Arvind Kejriwal gave later in this week, in fact both the major parties, BJP and Congress, both of them have given serious response to all these allegations. They lodged complaint with the Election Commission, and the Election Commission had in fact told Arvind Kejriwal to explain as to what happened and why he gave such inflammatory statement while campaigning for the Delhi election. And also we are seeing that the war of water continues, as Arvind Kejriwal is now also claiming that Haryana is the because Haryana is the upper riparian state, and Haryana is in fact also involved in sending water to Delhi, but adding contaminants, all the industrial waste that has come to Delhi. Haryana government is involved in all of that. The BJP-led Haryana government is in fact also not releasing more water towards Delhi so that the pollution, the contaminants can be diluted, and all of this is being done to tarnish the Aam Aadmi Party's reputation ahead of the upcoming election. Arvind Kejriwal also said that his work was that to assert all of these situations, what was going on, and in fact bring it in front of the Election Commission. But rather than taking action on the Haryana government who is responsible, the Election Commission is in fact pulling up Arvind Kejriwal to explain as to what has happened and why he gave such a statement. Arvind Kejriwal has said that he was in fact working in the favor of citizens whose life are being saved. So because he in fact have led this struggle to in fact end the water pollution that was happening in Yamuna river. And because what we're also seeing is that on 26th of January, when Arvind Kejriwal alleged that Yamuna is being polluted, the ppm levels was 7.1, but also today the ppm level has been 2.1 ppm. So that is why he's saying that although he in fact also came to Election Commission bringing the water bottles, he along with Bhagwant Mann, who is the Punjab Chief Minister, and Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, all of them went to Election Commission to explain as to why such statement was made by Arvind Kejriwal, and that the people who are involved in contaminating the Yamuna pollution, because the Aam Aadmi Party is alleging that Haryana government that is led by BJP is involved in all of this Yamuna pollution that has been going on in Delhi since quite a long time now. Back to studio.